right, so first things first, we're gonna go through safety gear. So brother, what would your top 5, let's say, minimum requirements be for safe riding?
Top 5 would, helmet of course, with the strap done up and on your head.
Okay.
Gloves.
Gloves, okay.
A light jacket, we are in the Philippines, we acknowledge it's hot.
Noted.
I wear a denim jacket most of the time.
As do I.
Good boots, good shoes, solid shoes that are laced up or buckled up. Not the slip-on type, they just come straight up. You have an accident, your shoes are off, and there's nothing worse than being under a hot motorcycle on hot tarmac, sliding down the road at 40 kilometers an hour with your ankle,
barefoot.
with your bare foot.
Gotcha.
Slippers, absolute no-no.
And by law, it's actually illegal
It
anyway.
is by law, but not for the back riders. I find that unbelievable.
So we've got a helmet, we've got our gloves, we've got our shoes,
Jacket.
jacket.
Long pants, long jeans. I do wear shorts most of the time, but going on a proper ride, I always wear long pants. I wear the plastic knee guards on a ride, elbow pads. That's
For
really
general riding.
General riding, cover your exposed skin.
Gotcha.
Do your helmet up. There's no good having your helmet undone. As soon as you come to a stop, your helmet is launched and you're behind it. Your 6,000 peso LS2 sitting on top of your helmet on your head like a mushroom, that's not going to do anything. Or on your elbow. Are you going to wait for the emergency and then put your helmet on?
Yeah. Yep, no good. So there you go. So you got to have your helmet, your gloves, your jacket, your jeans,
Shoes.
and your shoes. Get hitting the road. Let's do this. So we have 2 styles of safety gear. Rocker James is wearing a heavier jacket, which to be honest could take him from here all the way up to Manila and he's good to go. But on a daily rider, Jen showed you something that's a bit lighter for daily city rides. So really either is good, just make sure that you get your safety gear on.